We're so happy you're here!
Hi, it's Gabrielle
and Elise!
And today we're doing the glitter slime test. We're going to be testing different colors of glitter to see how well they look in slime. Elise, what colors do you have?
I have silver, red, green, and gold glitter.
And I have black, purple, pink, and light blue or turquoise glitter.
Let's make our slime.
Here's the bowl. Get your spoon.
Okay.
We are using white Elmer's glue for this slime.
Time for the water.
And if you want to see us do the glitter slime test with clear glue, then tell us in the comments and we'll do it next time. Let's start mixing. Okay, now time for this shaving cream. Okay. Fluffy.
We put lotion in our slime
To make it stretchy.
lotion. Get in.
Do you want me to hold?
It feels stretchy already.
Yeah, kind of.
Slime, I love slime. Slime is cool and happy. Slime. I like slime. Slime is cool. I like slime. Slime is nice to play with. Slime. Yeah.
Now stay flow.
I'll do the spoon. It's like a big bunch of clump.
A big bunch of clump? That doesn't make any sense, Elise.
Clump.
Slime ball, la 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 la. Slime ball, la 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 ba 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 ba. It's all done. We got some pretty good slime here, Elise. I'll take it out of the bucket or bowl. Okay, Elise. I have pink, purple, blue, and black glitter.
And I have silver, red, gold, and green glitter. Okay, we split up our slime and we are gonna make our slime into 4 little balls of slime.
Okay, we got our 4 batches of slime each, and I'm gonna start with the pink glitter. What glitter are you gonna start with, Elise?
I think I'm gonna start with the red glitter.
Here the pink glitter goes. That was a lot of glitter.
Okay, here I go. It feels so cool when you touch glitter on slime.
Let me see how that feels. Oh yeah, it does feel good. This kind of looks like vanilla chocolate chip ice cream or
the icing in an Oreo.
yeah, or like vanilla yogurt with Oreo dots on it.
It's gold glitter time! Woohoo! This is the shiniest slime I have ever made. Oh my gosh.
I made a giant pair of glasses out of slime.
I bet a giant could wear those. Look what I made. I made a giant M. Or W for you guys. It's mushy and gooey. And it's really, really shiny.
It's time for light blue glitter. This is gonna look really pretty, this blue one. It reminds me of Cinderella.
Green glitter. This would be good for Christmas time. And the red.
Uh-huh.
Amazing. I wish our lawn or grass looked this way.
Okay, we made them all. We have purple, black, gold, red, silver, pink, blue, and green.
I'm gonna tell you guys what my favorite slime balls are. Blue, silver, and gold.
My three favorites are blue, pink, and purple. Tell us in the comments what your three favorite slimes are. And if you want us to do more slime videos.
And be sure to subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching.
The most important piece in our puzzle is you. Be sure to like.
Tell us what you think.
And share us with your friends. And of course, subscribe.